Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Khatta Mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also, have 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice ready, along with 1/2 cup of chilled soda water or sparkling water. These simple items are the foundation for a refreshing drink. Now let's start crafting your mojito. Place the mint leaves, lime wedges, and sugar into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together to release the mint's aroma and lime's juice without tearing the leaves. Next, pour in the fresh lemon juice. Then, fill your glass about 3/4 full with ice cubes, ensuring it's packed well for a perfectly chilled drink. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Also, on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling amazing. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To perfect your drink, carefully top off the glass with the chilled soda water or sparkling water. Stir the mixture gently from bottom to top, ensuring all the flavors are well combined and the sugar is dissolved. Finally, for that professional touch, garnish your refreshing Khatta Mojito with a fresh lime slice and a vibrant mint sprig. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.